Think back to the last time you felt genuinely stuck while coding. Maybe it was a tricky bug you just couldn't fix. Maybe you were staring at a blank screen, unsure how to start writing a function. Or maybe you were just plain tired. Now imagine this. Instead of endless searching on Google or scrolling through Stack Overflow, you can have a tool that speaks code, understands context, and never judges your question. A tool that can help you write, design, debug, and even reason through problems in a completely new way. That's what generative AI for software development is all about. In this session, we're going to look at how generative AI tools can be integrated directly into a developer's workflow to assist with code generation, refactoring, and debugging. Let's start with the IDE, since that's where most of us spend our day writing code. All right, I've opened up VS Code here. Now I'm going to install the GitHub Copilot extension from the marketplace. Once it's installed, Copilot integrates directly into the editor and gives me real-time suggestions. Make sure GitHub Copilot or other AI tools like Codium, Tab9, CodeWhisperer, and so on are enabled in your VS Code. Now watch closely as I start typing a simple Python function. All right, def add. But notice what happens. You'll see faint text appear right after my cursor. This is called ghost text. It's the AI's inline suggestion. It's a prediction of what I'm most likely going to write next. This is Copilot's way of showing you a suggested completion before you accept it. It's called ghost because it looks like a faint preview. It only becomes real code when I press Tab to accept it. Inline suggestions like this are the simplest and most common way AI helps developers. Short context-aware predictions shown as ghost text. But it doesn't stop there. Copilot and similar tools can also generate multi-line suggestions, entire function bodies, or code blocks. For example, if I type a command, like Factorial, and just hit enter, I'll get code here. I can accept it by clicking Tab. Copilot might suggest several lines of code at once, giving me a working function, rather than just a single line. Now that our IDE is set up, let's look at some practical applications. I'll take the con in. Write a function to check if a number is prime. It's prime or not, and I'll just hit enter. See, I'm getting suggestions. I'll accept it by clicking Tab. Okay, now if we want to modify this code, let's just select it, click this star option, and then click Modify. Here I can say something like, give me user inputs. So Copilot suggests the complete function implementation. I accept it with one keystroke and the function is ready. Now let's test it by running it. Enter an integer, so I'll enter for his node prime, so this is working. This shows how Gen AI accelerates coding. You focus on what you want, and the AI takes care of how to implement it. So far, we've seen how to generate code and refactor it using AI. Okay, now I'll ask AI to refactor this code. See how AI improved the readability and reduced redundancy? It's called refactoring. It helps make code cleaner and easier to maintain. Always test and review AI-generated code before merging. Think of AI as a helpful pair programmer. Fast, but still needs your supervision. Let's move on to debug. Now I have this function. I have written this function. I'll try running this. Running this gives a zero division error. Instead of searching for the issue, I can rely on the IDE and Copilot for guidance. Copilot, with its advanced analytical capabilities, immediately recognizes the underlying problem within the code and proactively suggests implementing proper and robust error handling mechanisms. Let's proceed to try out this intelligent recommendation. I will now specifically ask Copilot to meticulously correct the identified error, expecting a comprehensive and effective solution. Now let's run and test. In production code, it's better to raise an exception rather than return an error message. AI tools often suggest quick fixes, but as developers, we still decide the right approach. Inside VS Code, if I make a mistake, say using an undefined variable, VS Code highlights it. And Copilot can even suggest inline corrections as ghost text. So effectively, VS Code and Copilot work together. One highlights the problem, the other helps you fix it, acting like an extra pair of eyes during development.
If you enjoyed this video, you can enroll in Great Learning Academy for free. Choose from hundreds of courses across multiple domains and earn a certificate of completion along the way. And if you want to take it a step further, you can try Great Learning Academy Pro Plus with a free trial. It provides access to additional premium courses with more advanced content from distinguished faculty, along with features like guided projects, a resume builder, and mock interviews to make your learning journey even richer. Link is in the description.